Everybody, in this video, I am going to discuss CRC in computer network. Full form of CRC is Cyclic Redundancy Check. It is used to detect error during data transmission from sender to receiver. Let us consider the CRC concept with an example. Here data is given 1101 and divisor is 101. Here number of bit in the divisor is 3 and we know n plus 1 equal to 3. A number of divisor bit is 3 and it is known as n plus 1. And n equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So this is the number of bit, number of 0 will be added to the data bit. So new data equal to 1101 and this is the n number of 0 to be added with the new data, that is 0 and 0. Okay. So this is the new data. Here divisor is 101. So we need to divide this with the new data, that is 101, 1101, 00. And divide this, we need to consider 3 bit. Here we need to consider this 3 bit. Here first bit is 1, so we need to multiply 1, that is 101. And we need to perform XOR operation. We know in XOR operation, same input, that's mean 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1 equal to 0. Different input, that is 1, 0 equal to 1 and 0, 1 equal to 1 and 1, 0 equal to 1. So this is the truth table of XOR gate. Here 0, 1 are different, so we need to consider 1, 1, 0 is different, you need to consider is 1. Now next bit is added, that is next one is 1 is added. Now here 1, so we need to multiply 1. That's equal to 101. Here's 1, 1 same bit, 0, 1, 0 different bit, that is equal to 1. And next one is 0. Now we need to multiply again with the help of 1, that is 101. Here 101. Different input, that is 1, same input 0. Next one, last 0 is added here. Now multiply, this one is here first input is 0, so we need to multiply with the help of 0. Now 0 multiplied is 0, 0, 0, that is equal to 0, 1. And this one is known as remainder and this is known as CRC bit. So CRC bit is 1, 0. So this CRC bit is added to the data bit. So this is the transmitted data. Now transmitted data is, this is the transmitted data equal to 1, this is a given data 1101 and CRC is added with the data, that is 1101 and 1101 and CRC bit is 10. So this is known as CRC and the transmitted data. So this is the new transmitted data. Now if we want to check this transmitted data, then if 1101, 110, and in the receiver, if it is received same as the transmitted data, then if the remainder is divisor is 101, we need to divide again at the receiver. This is at the receiver. Then what happened that here 110, that's we need to multiply 101, that is so different input 111. Next one is again 101. Different same input 0, different 1. Then it's again 101, 000, and multiply these by 000. Here remainder is 0 and 0. This is accepted. There is no error. If there is any error in the receiver, then transmitted bit will be divided by the divisor, and the remainder, if remainder is not 00, then there is an error. So this is the concept of CRC in computer network. So thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it.